Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine sangria at home. We'll start by understanding the basic components of this delightful Spanish beverage. You'll learn about the core ingredients that give sangria its signature flavor, from the wine base to the fresh fruit. Then, we'll cover the straightforward steps to prepare your own batch, ensuring a perfect blend every time. Get ready to impress your guests with this easy-to-follow guide. Choosing the right ingredients is key to a fantastic sangria. For your wine, select a dry red like Tempranillo or a crisp white such as Pinot Grigio. There's no need for an expensive bottle. Next, gather fresh, ripe fruits. Oranges, lemons, apples, and berries are classic choices, but feel free to experiment with what's in season. Finally, add a sweetener like sugar or simple syrup, and a splash of brandy or orange liqueur for an extra layer of depth. Now, let's get to mixing. First, thoroughly wash and slice your chosen fruits into small, manageable pieces. This helps them release their juices and flavors into the wine. Next, in a large pitcher or punch bowl, combine your wine, the prepared fruit, your chosen sweetener, and any spirits like brandy. Stir everything gently to ensure the sugar dissolves. The most crucial step is chilling. Refrigerate your sangria for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. It's time to enjoy your delicious homemade sangria. When serving, fill individual glasses with ice, then pour in the sangria, making sure each glass gets a good mix of wine and fruit. For an extra touch, garnish with a fresh orange slice, a few berries, or a sprig of mint. This not only looks appealing, but also adds to the aroma. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs. Cheers to your perfect sangria!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.